Hi guys, this is Dries Walker here. Again, this time I'm going to talk to you about water heaters. And this is not a regular water heater, this is a tankless water heater. This unit here is a 199,000 BTU per hour. It's not that big, it's compact, and all the instructions to install it is right here at the label with minimum clearances, 36 inches from the top, 2 feet from the window, 4 feet in front, 24 inches in front. But when you install, be careful, because when you call the inspector to look at it, one of the problems we had in here is the inspector asked for a label that says direct vent unit. So that's the key word. They want to see a direct vent, even if it is not labeled in here, or even if it looks like a direct vent, because it has a direct vent to the exterior in here. But what he wants to see, it's a label that says direct vent. I'm going to show you to the other one where where he made us replace the water heater, and you see what I'm talking about. Let's go there. So we are here on the other unit where we installed a tankless water heater. We had the same type as the other one I just showed you. But when the inspector came in here, he looked around and could not see a label that says direct vent. And because there was no label on that unit saying direct vent, he said I wasn't supposed to install it here, that he had to be at least 4 feet from the window. And although the unit says 24 inches from window, the unit itself, installation manual, but here in California, you have different rules. So when you install a tankless water heater, make sure it is labeled direct vent at the side of the unit. So when the inspector comes in, that's the first thing he wants to see, direct vent unit. This one here could be vented through the ceiling, or has this direct vent right over here. So he made us replace all this with bigger gas line, and all the water lines are different in here, and the setup is completely different because there was no label direct vent unit. So keep that in mind when you install a gas water heater, a tankless gas water heater. It has to be direct vent, so you can put at least 24 inches from windows or the corner of the house. Otherwise, it's 4 feet. You need to stay 4 feet away, okay? That's it. Explanation. Next time, next video.